I'm Travers Mackel, and we are here at federal court. It is day 2 of week 2 of the staged Rex trial, a story that we broke back in 2018. Lawyers Vanessa Mata and Jason Giles on trial. The feds say that they worked as lawyers to play a role in getting people to stage Rex with 18-wheelers, and then they filed false insurance claims. On the stand yesterday afternoon, the chief public federal defender, Claude Kelly, who testified as a prosecution witness, he represented one of the key witnesses in this case, a man named Cornelius Garrison. Garrison was murdered in 2020. The feds say he was targeted because of his cooperation. The fiance of Vanessa Mata, Chanel Fortish, is accused in that crime. That part of this case is not happening right now, the murder of a federal witness. It's just the staging of Rex and the insurance fraud part. On the stand this morning, Tuesday morning, a woman, a lawyer who works for a civil defense firm that represents a lot of these trucking companies, she is pointing out to the jury how she and her firm red flagged a lot of these cases filed by Vanessa Mata and pointed them out as possibly fraudulent, but she just pushed forward with them, even while, according to this witness, Mata was under federal investigation. It has been a fascinating couple of days here as the prosecution is trying to lay out its case. The federal government against Mata and Giles, they have called numerous lawyers and federal prosecutors trying to point out that Mata and Giles knew exactly what was going on and were working with people called slammers to stage these wrecks. In their defense, Vanessa Mata and her attorney Sean Toomey have stipulated that the wrecks were staged, but that she was manipulated by her fiance, Chanel Fortish. Jason Giles and his lawyer, former judge Linda Van Davis, claim that they were not aware that they were being manipulated at the King firm and that these wrecks were staged. They claim they had no way of knowing that they were being manipulated and that the wrecks were staged. We'll continue to update you here on social media platforms. A quick note, we are not tweeting or using X, as it's called now, from the courtroom because the judge in this case is not allowing that. So stick with WDSU for all updates on social media platforms.